What is the foreign assets and income form in ITR 3? And what are the important points to remember before filing it? Industry expert Mr. Gopal will enlighten us now.
So this is your ITR 3. So where they ask you to give the details of foreign assets and income from any source outside India. This is a very, very important point to be given by residents, not for non-residents. Of course, if you are non-resident, also you have to give separately. But the moment you are resident, this form is very important, applicable. So this is a form applicable, I will say, both for residents and non-resident, but exclusively for residents. You have to be very careful about. That means when you are working abroad, you have a bank account. For example, you have a depository account. You come back to India. So then you have income. You only declare Indian income, but you have to give the details of the foreign depository account, the foreign custodial accounts, the foreign equity interest, the foreign debt interest, what you are holding. Similarly, the foreign cash value insurance contract, which you have taken at that point of time, any financial interest in the entity, even beneficial interest. You may not be a shareholder, but you may get the beneficial interest. If you have a property outside India and you are not the owner of the property, but you are the beneficial owner of the property, then that also you must give these details. Any other capital asset, maybe gold, jewelry, bullion, movable assets, a vehicle. So all those also have to be given. And the details of the bank account have to be given. So even the peak balance account have to be given. It's very, very interesting statement that filling this information, you need the cooperation of the resident, and they have to disclose. So this is a very important disclosure which has to be given by residents, very importantly, and non-resident, anyhow, they have to give their foreign details. So this is an additional point which I want to share from a resident perspective.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.